Very beautiful Japanese garden. There are water bodies, there are surrounding trees and ornamental flowers, even butterbirds. This is the location of University of Chicago, and here we see many plants. For example, we have the avalanche bush, and we have golden azalea here. The blooms are withered a little bit after heavy rains yesterday night. Apart from these golden yellow azaleas, we have the hostas, we have the Buxus sempervirens, and here is another color of magenta color of azalea, now also referred to rhododendron in the family Ericaceae. And these are the green Japanese maple, and this is yew, Texas, beautifully decorated, and we have the beauty of these water bodies surrounding these and maple tree, maple Acer saccharina with fruiting on the twigs. In this part of the spring, there are more species which are in flowering, some pines, and apart from these pines and maples, we see also syringa persica, that is Persian lilac. Leaves are opposite. This is also seen under cultivation in Kashmir Valley throughout, Persian lilac. This bush is also in the Japanese garden, University of Chicago. Another beautiful hedge with colorful foliage, and there are some water lilies also. Not only that, we have the many Acer saccharinum trees, and these are the birches with white bark, paper birch, the beautiful white bark and lenticels. And this is the foliage type on these birches, and other side also we see many other plants, bushes, wildflowers, the birds. You see the iris beside the bank of this water body, and these are the Nymphaea species, and majestically developed Japanese garden, and there are various kinds of fish also, colorful fish in the water body. Some black, some are golden, and they are also adding to the charm and beauty of this Japanese garden. We have another rosaceous bush, and there are hydrangeas. This is the flowering of Morus mulberry. Mulberry is unique to the ambience, and these water melodies at this location, they are adding to the grandeur. And this is the time of spring in Chicago, the windy city in the state of Illinois. This is Syringa pubescens, and apart from these trees and bushes, we have Heliborus also there in the behind, Heliborus nicer. Uh, there are Tilia Americana, and apart from these hedges and bushes and flowers on either side of the track, I'm able to show you in this Japanese garden the fragrant flowers of Syringa pubescens with the red admiral on the flowers is also seen on this particular Syringa. This is red admiral Vanessa Atlanta. And then we have many other assets in this beautifully designed Japanese garden. There are even other bushes, but I am unable to identify. This leaves seem to be all these compound leaves, but which particular this plant is, I am not able to identify on spot. So you see, this is downtown area, and there is University of Chicago across this water channel, and this is Platanus occidentalis, sycamore, garden of the phoenix, and this is Umbellifer, Alexandria Arab with golden yellow umbels. This is growing in wilderness, and this is particular populus tree. It's a very huge tree, very thick bark. This is some populus. I am unable to identify the species on spot. There are beautiful flowers of this lily. I think it should be rain lily, if I am correct. I am not sure whether it is Zephyranthes candida or some other. And this is Salix. This is willow tree, which is also having very linear lanceolate leaves. And this is old mulberry tree, and those yellow umbellifers, Alexandrine herb. This is a bridge. On either side you have the water flow, water channel. Birds are chirping. Early morning walk that will add more beauty and charm and rejuvenate the body and mind. But since we are already late, so there is a bit sunshine also, although it is not hot. Temperature is around 20 degrees in Chicago, which is called the windy city. And this is the lush green campus. That way with senecio also, I am able to show you senecio flowering. Senecio flowering. And this is again amelanchier. And I could see Aesculus flava also. What, since that is far behind, now I am not able to locate again. There are Crataegus disperma flowering also. I am able to show you on the side of the track is white flowering, They are crataegus, hawthorn, and there are roses, have the fragrant blooms. But this is some beautiful geranium, cranesbill flower. So this is unique, deeply lobed leaves, geranium. This is oak, white oak. This is white oak here in University of Chicago. Should not be confused with University of Illinois Chicago, that is different. And this is in downtown, and this is sugar maple. Leaves are opposite, deeply lobed, and other side again you have a magnificent, charming skyscraper and the artistically designed buildings across that water body. There is also the wild flora, for example plantago, even viola banafsha. I'm able to show you, and also that beautiful yellow flowering Asculus flava, which I just located in that area. This is maple fruiting. Mostly maples have fruits during autumn season, but here this is Acer saccharinum, which is fruiting in this time of spring. And this is sycamore, Platanus occidentalis. This is Almus americana. There is beautiful building across. How beautiful, majestic it has been designed. Lush green lawns and artistically planted trees, bushes around. There is some unique oak trees, very old oak trees. It seems to be Quercus alba. There is greenery all around and many flowering herbs. For example, here also I am able to show you the small flower which seems to be Veronica like flower. We have the red flowers of another beautiful flower which I will show you. This is again geranium. Geranium blossoms under the alnus tree, Buddhi cones. So this is alnus. We have alnus nitida in Jammu and Kashmir, but this alnus might be different species. It's heavily filled with cone like Buddhi fruits all around. This is again alnus elder, commonly called as. And this is the magnificent view of this location, and I am able to show you another plant with under surface is quite white, upper surface is green. This is again species of Tilia tree, Tilia americana or some other species in University of Chicago.